Hey, you guys, I got some really, really good news from a student. And he says, just reaching out to y'all to say thank you for the help. I passed the TSI. The videos were a lot of help to me, especially the first videos on the basics. Thank you again. I went from a 927 to a 957. And I said, wow. And then he shows me a picture of his scores. Then he says, yes, ma'am. Thank y'all. First 20 questions. And I said, well, what's next? And he said, I enrolled this morning for the fall classes, and I start an apprenticeship on Monday now that I'm college ready. And that was a must for getting awarded the apprenticeship, industrial mechanic degree. I got awarded a job opportunity for a local refinery as an apprentice. That's why this was important to me. Thanks, guys, again. And I said, awesome. All right, I just wanted to share the good news with you. God bless.